In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Facebook cover photo without notifying anyone. We'll walk through uploading a new cover photo on the desktop site and then quietly removing the automatic announcement so it doesn't sit on your timeline. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along without missing a beat. Start by opening your web browser and going to facebook.com. Sign into your account the way you normally would. Once you're in, head to your profile by clicking your name near the top of the page. This takes you to your personal profile where your current cover photo appears across the top. Move your mouse over the cover photo area. You'll see a small camera icon or a button labeled Edit Cover Photo. Click that. From the options that appear, choose Upload Photo. A file window will open, letting you pick an image from your computer. Select the picture you want and click Open. High resolution, wide images work best here so they don't look blurry or cut off at the edges. After the image loads, you'll be able to reposition it. Click and drag the photo to center the important parts and make sure nothing crucial is cropped out. Take a moment here. What you see is what visitors will see. When it looks right, click Save Changes. Your cover photo is now updated on your profile. By default, Facebook creates a new post announcing the change. If you'd rather not have that post visible on your profile, you can hide it immediately. Stay on your profile page and scroll down just a bit. You should see a fresh post at the top of your timeline that says, "You updated your cover photo." Hover over that post and click the three dots in the top right corner of it. In the menu that opens, select Hide from Profile. This removes the announcement from your timeline so it won't appear to people browsing your profile. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the new post right away, give the page a quick refresh and check again. Hiding the post does not remove your new cover photo. It stays in place at the top of your profile. Also, depending on individual settings and how Facebook surfaces updates, some people may still see the change elsewhere, but hiding the post prevents it from sitting on your profile's timeline. And if the image doesn't look the way you hoped, you can repeat these same steps to upload a different one and reposition it. That's it. Your cover photo is updated and the announcement is hidden from your profile.